Hi everyone, today I've come up with a topic on different types of memory present on a Cisco device. Devices of Cisco consist of different types of memory used for different purposes. There are four different types of memory: RAM, random access memory; ROM, read-only memory; flash memory; and NVRAM, which is non-volatile RAM. Now let's start with RAM. RAM is the internal memory of CPU that stores programmed data and program result. Its memory can be both read and write and stores data until system is working. So as soon as system gets switched off, data also gets erased. RAM is volatile, small both in terms of data it can hold and physical memory size, and is independent of address size. That is, each storage location inside memory is as easy to reach and takes the same amount of time. Now there are two different types of RAM: SRAM or static RAM, or DRAM or dynamic RAM. SRAM, it retains the contents of memory as long as power is being supplied. However, content is lost as long as power gets down. Dynamic RAM is different from SRAM and is continually refreshed to maintain the contents of data. Now ROM. ROM is a type of primary memory, non-volatile, and can only be read but not write. It cannot be altered and store those programs that are essential for the booting process of the computer. Now there are different types of ROM: MROM, mask ROM; PROM, programmable ROM; EPROM, erasable and programmable ROM; and EEPROM, or electrically erasable and programmable ROM. Now let's see what is MROM. MROMs are very first ROMs made and contain pre-programmed set of instructions or data. PROM is a ROM that can be programmed only once by a user. It can be programmed only once and is not erasable. EPROM, it can be erased by exposing it to ultraviolet rays for 40 minutes. EEPROM, it can be both electrically programmed and erased. Any location can be erased and programmed selectively. It is erased one byte at a time, and the process of reprogramming is flexible but slow. Flash memory. Flash memory is mainly used to store iOS software images, but also can have added features of storing such as backup configuration files. It retains content even after a device is restarted. EPROM and EEPROM work almost similar to flash memory in terms of how data is programmed, but difference only appears how data is erased. Through EPROM, data is erased by exposing to ultraviolet rays. In EEPROM, data is erased electronically at byte level, while flash memory is deleted electronically at block level. Flash memory is the least expensive form of semiconductor memory, non-volatile, and offers low power consumption. Now there are two types of flash memory, NOR and NAND. NOR flash memory has no shared components, connects individually memory cells in parallel, and enables random access to data. NAND flash memory is more compact, has fewer bit lines, and better suited to strings rather than random data access. Now what is NVRAM, non-volatile RAM? NVRAM provides storage startup configuration file and retains content when router is powered down or restarted. It is non-volatile and can hold data even when power to the memory chips has been turned off. Now there are some advantages and disadvantages of NVRAM. Let's start with the advantages of NVRAM. NVRAM is faster than volatile memory for both reading and writing and requires very less power. But the disadvantage of NVRAM includes, since information in NVRAM is rewritten, it will eventually get deteriorated and will eventually stop working. Those NVRAM that requires a battery will have to have their battery eventually get replaced. So thanks everyone, stay tuned for the upcoming videos.